Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Home Cocktails. Today is a dark and stormy day, so I'm going to make a dark and stormy, and it's very simple, very quick, very short. Hopefully the storms pass over, but it's a dark and stormy day, so I'm going to make that. Dark and stormy is actually the national drink of the island of Bermuda, and they actually use a dark rum called Gosling's, which is their national rum. But I'm going to use my national rum, which is Eldorado. It's a dark rum, and that's what you should use for a dark and stormy. Another good rum to use for this cocktail is the Mount Gay rum from Barbados. So here we go. Let's just get straight into it. I have a Collins glass that's already been frozen in the fridge. I have some ice in here. It's a very simple drink to make. You don't need a shaker. You don't need any of that. All you need is about 2 ounces of dark rum. And then you can top that with ginger beer. I'm using Reed's ginger beer. It's really good. It's called Reed's Extra. It's excellent. Has a lot of kick and a tang to it. Just top it off. Top your rum off with your ginger beer. And then you definitely have to have lime. Lime is an important part of a dark and stormy. So I'm going to squeeze a little bit of a lime. A quart of a lime in here. I'm actually going to drop that in. And I'm also going to add, with a cocktail swizzle, I'm going to add another quarter of a lime. Just to make it really, really good and tangy. And then the final touch for dark and stormy is actually Angostura bitters. I add it to everything, but for dark and stormy, it's actually in the recipe. So I'm adding a little bit touch of Angostura, and that's it. That's the cocktail. Dark and stormy for a dark and stormy day. Hopefully it gets better. I'm going to stir that a little bit. I'm going to take a tiny, teeny, tiny, tiny taste. It's absolutely delicious. I can taste the Eldorado rum. It's a 12-year-old. It's really good. It's not too sweet, but the ginger beer gives it a lot of extra, it's good. Anyway, try to check me out at the rum shop. Don't forget to follow the channel, and I will see you again soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.